Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum dear students. I am Dr. Sadia Zafar and today we will discuss about the role of botanical gardens in conservation of biodiversity. What is botanical garden? A botanical garden is a collection of living plants designed chiefly to develop relationship within plant groups and save them from being destroyed. Plants are conserved in botanical gardens for their sturdy and aesthetic value. Orto Botanico of Padua is the oldest botanical garden in the world that has been in continuous use. It was established in 1545 by University of Padua and has been a great influence on other botanical gardens around the world. Largest botanical garden in the world. Royal Botanical Garden, Kew, UK, as of now, but China is enlarging one of its botanical gardens, and when the project is complete, China will boast the largest botanical garden in the world. The significance of botanical garden. We estimate that there are probably over 80,000 species in cultivation in botanical gardens of current estimate of 270,000 known plant species in the world. Botanic gardens are also well placed to raise the awareness amongst general public of the need for benefits that can be derived from successful ecological restoration projects. According to IUCN Red List of threatened plants, 34,000 taxa are considered globally threatened with extinction. And botanic gardens also manage protected areas within and outside their garden to promote the diversity, and these include ecosystems such as forest, bushland, catchments area and coastal areas. Botanic gardens contain collection of plants for education, scientific purpose and display, or can use for recreation purpose, and they can be taxonomically based and collection of native plants and plants which share a common geographical or ecological origin, and they may have the wild relatives or cultivars of useful species, and they even a shared habitat or life form such as an orchard or arboretum or succulent collection, means they may have the diversity of different groups of the plant. Types of the botanical gardens. The arboretum covers the largest area of botanical gardens and contain collections of hardy woody plants mainly trees, for example, the maple, acer, betula, and some other plants. And the herbarium, that are the collections of dried preserved specimens that document the identity of plants and fungi, and for research purpose specimens can be viewed by appointment with the botanical gardens, and the specimen in a herbarium are often used as reference material in describing plant taxa. Dwarf conifer collection features mass selection of unique and unusual dwarf conifers may be present in botanical garden. Greenhouses. Botanical gardens greenhouses are used to propagate plants for gardens, and greenhouses are state-of-the-art facilities. For example, an alpine house is a specialized greenhouse used for growing alpine plants. And forest, to preserve the forest for future generations, the garden manages invasive species and plants native plants and perform the research on them. For example, the New York Botanical Garden contains area specified for forest only, and the Desert Garden that contains largest and oldest outdoor collections of cacti and other succulents that belongs to the extreme environments. And the herb gardens. The herb garden is often a separate space in garden devoted to growing a specific group of plants known as herbs, medicinally and ornamentally important. For example, the mint, thyme, and rosemary. The floral garden. A floral garden consists of a large collection of flowers, economically and ornamentally important. For example, rose. What is the role of botanical garden in conservation of plants? The botanical gardens play important role in ex situ and in situ conservation of plants. Ex situ conservation is the conservation and maintenance of samples of living organisms outside their natural habitat and in the form of whole plants, pollen, vegetative propagules, and seed bank. One of the most widespread and valuable ex situ approaches to conservation. Capacity to store isolated embryos, minute seeds and tissues under conditions of cryopreservation and maintaining the samples in liquid nitrogen at temperatures of 196 degrees Celsius. And in gene banks, that is another method of ex situ conservation that continued the availability of plant genetic resources for research and for breeding, that help us to conserve the plant genetic resources and to improve them and to share and exchange the genetic material of different plants. On the other hand, the in situ conservation that is on-site or inside conservation is the conservation of species diversity within normal or natural habitat and ecosystems. This include management of ecosystems and protected areas and habitat restoration and recreation of vegetation types and the prevention of invasive species or tackling the invasive alien species. World important botanical There are some botanic garden like New York Botanical Garden that is located in USA, and Royal Botanic Garden which is present in UK, and Missouri Botanical Garden that is present in USA, and the National Botanic Gardens of Belgium and Montreal Botanical Garden, Canada. Some great botanical gardens of the world: the Royal Botanic Gardens, Kew, usually referred to as Kew Gardens, is the largest botanical garden comprising 121 hectares of gardens and botanical glass houses. The living collections are 30,000 different kinds of plants, and the herbarium which are present in Royal Botanic Garden are over 7 million preserved plants specimen. And next is the Brooklyn Botanic Garden in New York. Brooklyn Botanic Garden was founded in 1910, boasts 12,000 resident plant species and 3-in-1, that is provide the conservation or provide a site for conservatory and act as a museum as well as the botanical garden. Christian Bush National Botanical Garden, Western Cape, South Africa. It is the first national botanical garden established for express the purpose of local flora conservation and most famous is the garden's trademark crane flower, also named Mandela Gold. Born in Kyoto, Japan, that is on UNESCO World Heritage List and considered as heaven on the earth according to the Japanese. There are some other botanical gardens. There are some figures of New York Botanic Garden and Botanical Garden Chandigarh and Missouri Botanical Garden and the National Botanical Garden of Belgium. There are some botanical gardens present in Pakistan for research or educational purpose. For example, Danishmandan Botanic Garden Lahore, Faisalabad Botanical Garden and Government College University Botanic Garden of GCU Lahore and Karachi University Botanic Garden of Karachi University and Lahore Botanical Garden and National Herbarium Islamabad. Pakistan Forest Institute Botanical Garden of Pakistan Forest Institute Peshawar and Shah Abdul Latif Herbarium and Botanical Garden of Shah Abdul Latif University Khairpur and University of Peshawar Botanical Garden of University of Peshawar and Botanical Garden Government Zamindar College Gujarat and Living Plants Museum of Medicinal Plants, Pakistan Forest Institute Peshawar and Foreman Christian College Botanic Garden in Lahore and Botanical Garden Governor House Lahore and Quaid-e-Azam University Botanical Garden Islamabad. There are some public botanical gardens like Bagh-e-Jannah that is located in Lahore and Rani Bagh Arboretum which is located in Hyderabad. There are some figures of botanical gardens of Jallo Botanical Garden Lahore and the Cactus Garden. And the role of botanical garden in research, education and recreation. Role of botanical garden in scientific research. Research shows a strong factor in developing a concern for environment. Botanic gardens have a crucial role to play in disseminating information about scientific activities, and botanical gardens are often run by universities or other scientific research organizations and often have associated herbaria and research programmers in plant taxonomy or some other aspect of botanical science. In principle, their role is to maintain the documented collections of living plants for the purpose of scientific research, and many of skills and resources associated with botanical gardens and arboreta, including plant taxonomy, horticulture, and seed bank management, and fundamental to ecological restoration efforts. Yet, few of the world's botanic gardens are involved in science or practice of restoration. Thus, we examined the potential role of botanical gardens in these emerging fields. We believe a reorientation of certain existing institutional strengths, such as plant based research and knowledge transfer, would enable many more botanic gardens worldwide to provide the effective science based support to restoration efforts. Role of botanical garden in education. The botanical gardens are used for on-site teaching of different subjects. Botanic gardens are centers for environmental education, and number of botanic gardens developing education programmers has risen over the past 15 years. This can be seen as a result partially of growth of environmental movement as garden realize their potential for education, and partially of gardens re-evaluating and justifying their role in society. EU Botanic Garden have been involved in higher education and training. Over the last 20 years, however, the number of graduate and postgraduate courses concentrating on whole plant science has decreased dramatically throughout the Europe. There is concern that lack of knowledge and development in botany and taxonomy could determinantly affect decisions relating to, for example, habitat management and restoration and the development of medicines and foods for plant resources. A recent trend in European universities has been for new multidisciplinary courses. It is therefore important that botanic gardens are seen as source centers for a wide range of disciplines such as ecology, environmental science, teachers training, and medicinal anthropology as well as taxonomy. With botanic gardens becoming increasingly involved in conservation education, there is also potential for them to offer the training to teachers and students in environmental education and sustainable development. The role of botanical gardens in recreation. Botanical gardens have always responded to interest and value of day. In their formative years, botanical gardens were gardens for physicians and botanists, but then they progressively became more associated with ornamental horticulture and needs of the general public. One thing should worry us, the loss of this beauty, which is on assessment of environmental quality and health, and the perception of balance harmony, and diversity, which are also indicators of good human development. Importance in aesthetic perception, and to improve that the longing for beauty is an irresistible force which fulfills some ancestral emotional need, in which botanical gardens play a very good role. So let's conserve the plants and save energy and waste less. Choose what you buy carefully. Eat less meat and tell people how important plants are, and protect the forest as well as the plant trees, and grow local plants. Get involved in local conservation projects. Store seeds in seed banks. So this is all about the botanical garden and its role in conservation, and there are some references. And today we finished our course Biodiversity and Conservation, and thank you so much students for your kind attention.